Let's solve this. 4 times 6, you say 24. 4 times 1, that's 4. This is your answer. 3 times 7, that's 21. 2 times 3, that's 6. And this is your answer. Now, I understand that you are wondering how we came about this method and how quick it is for us to solve it. Take note. We have 14 multiplied by 16 equals to 424. How? Anytime you see that the ones place value, the unit place value, or the ones place value sum up to be 10, you apply this method. What do I mean? Look at it. You have 4 plus 6. That's 10. Check the ones place value for this. 3 plus 7. That's also 10. 4 plus 6. That's also 10. Now, what other numbers? 2 plus 8. 1 plus 9. That's 10. 5 plus 5. Now, this we apply. Another step is, notice that the tens place value are the same. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. The tens place value must always be the same, and the ones place value for both of them must sum up to be 10. Now, let's do this together. I'm sure you can do it now. 4 multiplied by 6, you have 24. 3 multiplied by 4, you have 12. Now, if you put this on your calculator, this is the answer you're going to get. Let's try more questions together. 48 multiplied by 42. 48 multiplied by 42. Now, notice 8 plus 2, we give you 10, right? Then we can use our method. You say 8 times 2, that's 16. And then you do 4 times 8, that's 32. Now, I would like you to solve this for me. I'll be expecting your answer in the comment section. Let's do it. 15 times 15. And then you have 27 times 23. Oh, we've done that. Okay? Let's do one more. 59 times 51. Now do this for me and put them in the comment section. See you.